piece is completed in the bronze, it's a real sense of accomplishment when it's sitting on the base. I feel lucky that we're putting women up in the perpetuity in bronze material because, 90% of our commissions are men. And so when, we're able to be commissioned to do female athletes, that's how it's different. That we're kind of starting a new trend in a way. So it's very good to feel, when you know that it's in its home. It's a good feeling.